What's
on,
the
man?
deal? Chilling. What's going on?
I'm chilling, man. Just been tuning in. I just want to say, I appreciate all the advice, all the game that you've been giving us the past few days. I'm a new subscriber though, but the past
Okay,
couple of
you
like videos and live streams you've been putting on has been pretty like useful. Um, I just want to ask you a
appreciate it.
question though. Um, I wanted to know if it's smart to get into like the semi truck business right now. I spoke to somebody else and they said it's kind of slow this season. And I got some capital. I want to get a semi truck, but I don't know if it's the right time or if I'm gonna get like a return on my investment right away.
You got a
So
CDL?
I don't got a CDL. So what I was gonna do was get the truck and then get a driver and have him run the loads.
What happened if the driver quit on you?
Got to find a new driver.
No, what I'm saying, what if he quits? Let's say where you live at.
I live in Brooklyn.
All right. So let's say you hire this driver, he drives, and let's say he quits in Idaho somewhere. He just parks the truck at a truck stop and just takes a plane back home. What do you do?
I mean, that's gonna be tough. Might have to
Yeah,
go
no.
to
You know
Idaho and
why?
pick my truck up.
How you gonna
But
do it?
shit, I don't know. I don't know.
Exactly. So you think it's a good idea if you don't know?
Nah, so all right. So pretty much, I'm gonna pretty much give you the whole entire breakdown. All right. So there's this company that pretty much what they do is they have a fleet of trucks and they have their own routes and stuff like that. And what happens is you
Are
get a
they out of
truck and
Chicago?
nah, they're out of I think he's out of Texas. You give them the truck and they pretty much do it for you. It's like it's passive basically.
No.
I can ask you why.
Don't invest into something that you don't understand. One of the first rules of business.
Right, right.
Here's the thing. You can't even drive a semi truck. You don't even have a commercial license. I would never invest into something that I can't do myself. Never.
Mm,
Why would I like
okay.
my driver quits? Drivers quit all the time. Then what? Your truck is stranded. What if they just leave your truck just in the middle of what if they just leave it in a truck stop, which a lot of drivers do, and then the truck stop
Mhm.
tows it. So you can't even fly out there and move it because you don't know how to. You don't know how to drive it, nor do you have the license to drive it. So what do?
Got
Drivers
you.
quit all the time and abandon trucks. Hey, yeah, I
Mm,
quit, man. Key in the glove box.
mm. Yeah, that's funny because someone actually told
Second,
me that.
second of
Yeah.
all, you never been out there. You could hire me. I could drive for you. I could sell you a bunch of bullshit. You wouldn't know it's bullshit because you wouldn't know what I'm talking about. I could
Right.
be robbing you. I could be stealing fuel, diesel. I could be doing a bunch of shit. You wouldn't know because you never been out there.
That's true.
So why would you invest into something that you don't understand?
I've been trying to get some game on it, trying to get as much, that's why I've been tuning into you, you know what I mean? Try to get some insight on it, but
You know how you get the
you know,
best insight outside of the educational stuff?
mhm.
Experience.
Right, right,
You
right.
can't listen. A semi truck, as far as the trucking sector goes, as far as the ground, right? It's just different modes of transportation. You got ocean, air, freight. I mean the intermodal, and you got ground. As far
Mhm.
as the ground, semi trucks, tractors are at the top of the hierarchy. It's the
Okay.
most advanced, complicated lane that you can run on the ground. So to hire, there's people that hire that thought just like you and that continue to think just like you. And I have people up on some of my, some of these clips from these call-in shows. Never planned on getting in the truck, got a truck, rented a truck, and put a guy straight out there. Never drove a truck themselves. All right, running a 26-foot box truck is advanced in comparison to a cargo van. So what do you think running a semi truck is to a box truck? It's even more advanced.
Right, right.
So how can you train a driver if you never done it before? How do you know if a driver's selling you bullshit if you never done it before? You
That's
can't even
true.
take your own. You can't even take your own truck to the service department to get it checked or to get it fixed. You can't even pick your own truck up if it's left abandoned. You have to rely on other people
To do everything pretty much.
for every aspect of your business.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now ask yourself that question. The
Yeah.
answer is, do I think it's a good investment for you? Absolutely not. Forget what the where we are as far as economically and things of that nature. Take that out the equation. Just you know, because you don't know what you're doing. You don't have no experience, nor do you plan on even stepping foot in the truck and learning it.
Yeah.
The best thing I would say, if that's what you want to do, is I would I would go to CDL school and I would go work for a company for a year. I'd learn the ropes on the company's dime. I'd tear up their truck for a year or so. And then, if you want to, pursue it, then you can pursue it. You know what I'm saying? But a semi truck is very expensive to get into, right? For a person who does know what they're doing. So for a person who knows absolutely nothing, how much money you
Yeah.
got to play with? How much money you got to play with if
Right
you were to
now
invest?
about 50.
Not enough,
50.
bro. Not enough.
Why you say that?
It's not enough. You don't know. You're gonna burn through that
I mean,
50 quick.
I have more, but that's how much I was willing to put into the business.
If you want to give fifty
Cause
thousand away, just it's hit the super
nah, I
chat,
ain't trying to I ain't trying to get fifty
and
thousand away because
I'll go buy 4 cargo vans and pass them out to some lucky people in the audience. If you want to get $50 away, just hit the super
man.
chat, donate it, and then I'll give 4 cargo vans away.
Nah, I feel you on
help
that. I
help
definitely
four
understand what you're
people
saying.
out. You dig what I'm saying? It's 4 people
Nah, I
in here
understand
that
what
would
you're saying.
love to get a cargo van and run it the right way. If you want to get $50 away, you dig what I'm saying? But you're 50,000 and you don't know what you're doing. Once you get the truck and you get everything,
Yeah, it's gonna be
you
it's
may
starting to
have some
run.
working capital, you may not. But here's the thing: you don't know what you're doing, so that 50 gonna be. You do got a little money left over. You don't know what you're doing, big dog.
Yeah.
I seen people lose 50 in this box truck thing.
Mm. It's only
Now
the only thing
I
is
ain't
I
trying
got
to
sold on the
discourage you.
passive part. Nah, it's cool. Now you're not discouraged. I need real information. It's the reason why
You
I
said
called in. It's not about
you
that.
said you
You know
got
what I mean?
sold on the passive part. Yeah,
Like
man.
on the passive aspect of it, like they pretty much handle all the back end work.
Yeah. Who sold you it? I think I got. You said Texas. I think was it a woman?
Nah, it's a dude. It's a dude. His name is Wesley. He has a business. I think it's called Ted Automations. Maybe you might know about
He
it.
online? He on YouTube or
Yeah,
something? On
he on I don't know if he's on.
Instagram
He
probably.
got a website. They got a website. Ted's Automation. I have a
Okay.
friend, so he has shares, and then he has the actual truck aspect of it, where you could buy shares. My friend bought some shares, and he was making money passively. Like every month, he was getting a check. So I'm like, we were both thinking that we get into it and actually get the truck, like the physical truck, as opposed to just getting the
You don't
share.
need no partners, bro. You don't need no partner for no damn truck.
Yeah,
Bro, don't let people sell you on passive income when it come to trucking. That's the whole I don't. Well, some people it's a scam, but some people it's just a marketing tool to get you to buy into whatever it is they sell in a marketing. I mean, a mentorship, courses, coaching, whatever. You know,
mm,
trucking is something that you physically have to get out and do and understand it. There's so many working parts of trucking. You know what I'm saying? That you need to know. You know what I'm saying? Because like you literally could be up today and down tomorrow, bro. From
mm,
just understanding how to book loads, your cost per mile, operational costs, maintenance, drivers, just all the issues that go on and the things and the variables that go on when it comes to pertaining to trucking. You got to know all that shit inside and out because your margins are going to be very thin, especially with the
mm.
semi truck business. The margins are really, really thin.
Gotcha.
So if you don't know what you're doing, you're just gonna be running at a deficit until you just run out of money.
Mm, okay. All right. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes
How,
sense.
how old are you?
29.
Why don't you just go work for a trucking company? Go get a CDL and just go work for a company.
Cause I already got a career, like, and my time is kind of tied up. You know what I mean? I got my career where I work pretty much 3 days a week, and then I got a business I run with my brother, and that takes up the rest of my time. So I wanted something more so like passive for now,
All right. If you want passive, invest in the paper assets.
like stocks and bonds and stuff like that.
Yeah, I mean, because here's the thing: trucking, you're gonna have to get dirty. You're gonna have to get out there for a nice
Nah,
little minute.
you really gotta get the experience. Basically, I
You
gotta do
got
it.
to. How can you run your business if you don't know how to run your business? You
That's a
get a
fact.
semi
That's a
truck
fact.
and shit happen. You know you're gonna find yourself looking for me. Hey, Mark, you got a minute? Can I talk to you? It's people like you every day, man. Mark, they come into my Discord. Mark, can I pay you? I just need 30 minutes. I tell them no because
Yeah,
they don't know how to
yeah.
run their business. People in my DM, people come in my no, 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 no.
Mm,
You should know how to run your own business.
that's a fact. That's a
You
fact.
know, and if you don't know how to run your business, then you shouldn't be in business.
Word.
It's not as passive as these people try to sell it. It's not as simple as they sell it. Oh, just go get a truck and just hire a driver. That's what they tell you.
Mm-hmm.
But all the stuff that really happens out there that they don't tell you, that a lot of them don't know either because they ain't never been in trucking. They just bought a cookie cutter course off Fiverr for $5 or $10 and then they repackage it, put their branding on it, and they sell it to you. It's not cut and dry like that, bro.
Right, right, right.
Do you know how to book loads? Do
Nah,
you
nah, I
know
don't know.
do you know how to calculate your cost?
Mm,
Do you know what to pay a driver? How you should pay a driver?
right,
What are you going to do as far as maintenance is concerned? What happens if the truck breaks down? What's your plans for that?
right. That's a fact. That's true. That's one thing you said is true though, because even though they're saying that they're gonna handle that, it's kind of like I should know how to do that myself too. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because
Who says they're going to handle?
anything can happen.
Who leaves their business in the hand of another person?
Word. That's true. That's facts.
You going to leave your kid in the hands of another stranger? Your business is like your little kid, your little baby.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not leaving my little kid unless it's like my mama or somebody like that. But like, you know what I'm saying? Like my business, ain't nobody gonna run my business like me. Here's the
Word.
thing: if these people are telling you just go get a truck and we're gonna run your business for you, and we're going to take a small percentage of running your business. This sounds familiar. Somebody else had this same set up 2 years ago and they got called out for being a scammer. Now I ain't gonna go into details. If you know, you know. If you've been in the sector long enough, that same shit that you talking about, that's not the
Mm-hmm.
first time I've heard that play being played. Oh yeah, buy your truck and we gonna run your truck. We gonna dispatch it. We gonna control your truck. It's a few people that's running that same play. I think the compass, whatever. They all do that shit. Turnkey. Is that what they call it? Turnkey trucking?
Yeah, turnkey. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
turnkey business. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
bro. No, 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 no. I mean, you can do what you want to do, bro. Me personally, like I was saying the other day in the episode, like now we can look at things in hindsight. I've seen this turnkey thing, and I've seen a lot of disgruntled people that bought into these turnkey trucking programs and are highly upset.
Right, 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 right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I need the game, man. That's why I called in because it's been on my mind. I'm like debating, like, damn, I'm trying. When they're staring at you in the face, it's like you wanna do something to it. You wanna do something with the money because you don't, obviously inflation and all of that. You want to put it into a business that's gonna get you returns. So I know I needed an expert opinion. So I definitely appreciate that for sure, for
Just
sure.
invest the money. I mean, just invest it. I mean,
Word.
invested into still even investing in it, you still gotta do your research. Never invest into something that you don't understand. Period.
Yeah.
And don't let nobody sell you on no passive income, bro. Like now, it's sad that, but when people say that word now, you damn near gotta
Mm.
run. You see what I'm saying? You
You
damn
got
near
you
gotta
gotta run.
run. Damn near, because everybody that I hear the word come out of their mouth,
They
they
got
on some
got.
BS. I don't talk about passive income because even though I understand it's important now, you need multiple streams of income. I tell people how to get it with what they got going on and then investing into other things. Once you figure out one thing, what your main focus is, then you'll figure out how to move and shake in other aspects. You know what I'm saying? Trucking is not something that's passive, bro. This is something that you have to be active. Even if
Mm.
you're not um active in the field, you know what I'm saying? You still have to
Yeah.
be active. You have
Right.
to
At least
constantly
know
watch
what's
over
going
your
on.
you have to constantly watch over your investment.
Right.
Constantly. It's not something that you can just put to the side and it's self sufficient. It's not. You have to
Okay.
constantly monitor your trucks. You have to monitor just every single aspect. Your fuel cars, your trucks, where are they at? Where are they at? Are they en route? Are they where they're supposed to be? Do you
Mm.
have technology, fleet management software technology where you're monitoring the driver's behavior?
Right. Right. Right.
Right? Are they harsh braking and harsh accelerating? Is this why you're spending so much money with that particular truck? You're monitoring this on a day to day basis.
Mm.
You book who's going booking loads?
That's a fact.
It ain't nothing that Nah, bro.
Get it. Get it. I definitely appreciate that. That's something to think about. That's definitely something to think about, man. That's definitely
Yeah,
something to think.
it's all good.
Yeah, man. Now I appreciate your time, though, man. I appreciate that for sure. For sure. You saved me a lot of money. Saved me a lot of money and time, bro. That's why I had to tap in with you, man. For sure. For sure.
It's all
Thanks for
good.
everything you're doing. Yeah, man.
It's all good. All
All
right,
right.
man.
All right, brother.
Yep.
All right.
Peace. Yep.